got a whole bunch of rocks.
You got a whole bunch of rocks?
Yeah. So like this, like put them in my pocket.
The folks over in China are willing to bet on people's.
Are they pencils? Yeah. She one this time I did it. So because mom said Tracy can't have it, but I got it.
Huh?
I hear a frog or something.
Yeah.
I think it's
They're probably all in the grass and stuff.
oh yeah, because the grass is long as heck.
Yeah, you get lost in the grass.
Imagine someone just wanted to hit those things, so I guess would get back.
Where are we supposed to go?
What's over here?
Huh?
The map says what?
It really doesn't say
Brown monkey.
No,
Brown
It is a house. And then there was
I guess we can walk straight.
Because I'm going to take a picture.
and then there's a sea hill. There's a, I guess, animals hill. Oh,
I guess we'll walk
it says
this
your
way.
hill. So
You
there's a house.
should move your fat arm,
And
please.
the key.
Did you say move your fat arms?
Wild.
Mia, why not put your fat fingers
And it says bathroom. And then
Yo, should I try to take a picture?
don't know what the heck that
Let's
says.
get away from you then.
Some
Sunny.
So if we go
Sunny.
that way, it's the wildlife thing.
Huh?
that way.
Said I think if you go that way, it's the wildlife thing.
I guess.
I see
And
it.
parking right here.
I mean, I can't read it, but I see a building there.
And then it says keys, like access something. And then
Really?
the bath.
I took it. I got a picture with your
My phone is very safe and no walk.
Wait, what if your phone gets hot?
It's cool out here, so.
Yeah.
Huh?
I guess it's walk because that way.
Oh, okay, yes. Patient drop off.
I guess so.
Okay, go walk that way. Here, just give it to me. I'll put it in my pocket.
It's like huge and my fingers hurt.
Dad, you know how Mom said no rocks? Look what she's doing.
Mm-hmm.
She keeps on going like this. Okay, let's Tracy, let's see. Look at her sweater, her pockets.
No, it's just always the tiny walks. You can you put my phone?
Here, I'll put it in my pocket.
I have pockets.
I have pockets too.
A beautiful one.
Ooh. I'm
What?
keeping it. Tiny shiny walk.
Ooh, can I
I'm
keep the
keeping it.
big rock?
I didn't realize how disabled I was until Yo-Yo took a picture of me.
Oh, my lord.
You're not disabled. Because you are disabled.
Well, no one could ever tell
Huh?
me that Yo was disabled.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, because I don't have a hearing aid or nothing.
Yeah, said that she found but I'm not gonna.
Are you guys looking at your guys' shadows?
Well,
Looking at Mia with her,
well.
Mia's a stink bug.
Like I have.
Stink bug. Stink bug, like.
But you like seeing them when we're up there at the trailer?
I didn't. I ran.
No, you guys ran from the dragon experience?
No.
Okay, I'm trying to get a beautiful rock, the shiny one.
I'm keeping an eye out.
But I forgot my shredder
You forgot your sweater?
in my jacket. Are we getting that somewhere else too?
Hmm?
Are we getting that somewhere else too? Look at the big, beautiful rock. Anna, is that the stink? Is that a stink bug? I thought that was a bug. Until I saw
Say everybody, tell everybody, say hi, hi. They're in our lives. Look, we got some people in our lives.
Hi.
Yeah, yeah.
Dance.
Ah, shoot, I hit myself.
You want to get ran over by a tractor?
Crazy.
There's a whole bunch of rocks. Yeah, I'm definitely walking this way.
You're funny, little Tracy.
Hey, Dad, I actually know what bug I want. It's a ladybug.
It's a ladybug.
Yeah. This bug. It's a little one. Are you guys hunting for ladybugs with me? I'm hunting for wasps and ladybugs. I'm hunting for ones.
You.
Yo, she was saying, oh, it's hot, and I was just like on Alvin and Shimmer. It's like still.
Why didn't you leave your guys' jackets in the car?
I don't know.
Why'd you bring them? Mom told you not to bring them.
I don't know. It's kind of weird. Oh, look at Tadashi's footprint.
I'm definitely lollipop.
Oh wait, hold on. Those actually footprints.
You guys are nuts.
It leads this way. There's a big red walk.
A big what?
Oh, big red walk.
You said a big red rock.
Yeah, let's go. But it looks beautiful, but I don't want to touch it.
You're funny.
I'm trying to find some big cool rocks and tiny rocks. Oh, I found one.
You found one?
Yeah, I'll dust it off. I put it in my pocket. Okay, I put the rock in my pocket. Ooh, a tree. In a branch. There's stick actually. Ew, what is that? All of them are leaving us. Ooh, stick.
We didn't want to keep stopping.
Okay, I'm coming. Black.
He's what? Oh my lord.
Huh? Why what?
I don't know where it went.
Right?
I'm trying to get him.
Ooh, I was about to spot one of them. Mia, can you catch up with us? Because all of them are running, and all of them are far away. Even Mom.
Well, you stopped and got like a couple rocks, a stick.
The stick.
Yeah.
Mom said that Tadashi's gonna get lost in here.
Oh my lord.
He actually might.
Yeah, nice. Here's this bug.
Oh my gosh, that's why I still miss him.
Ooh, a stick. Okay, Mia, what if we left you here?
Can we leave you?
I think it's just a drop off.
Did you walk?
That's what it said. I think it's just dropping off because this is where they.
I don't know where anything is because the map's not really clear on.
I
don't know, we could-
if we need it.
Unless you want to ask someone. If
We
they
just
want
walk
to
around. I mean, that's what we came for. Yeah.
I keep finding
Yeah, you're gonna be walking.
Tadashi's over here running from flies still.
So I guess we could walk back the other way and then find there's a different route.
There was one person on a tractor, but it was there somewhere.
Then we just hit the walk.
walk and stumble upon something like we always do.
Just stumble upon mom.
Guess you just walk this way, I guess.
Well, let's walk through here. See if we'll find
No.
something. Well, we might find animals.
Yeah, because they have to. I think they take care of all this and probably watch out after it. I guess you just walk back that way.
And then walk back.
There's a squirrel. Squirrel.
There was one over there too. There's one right there too.
I see it.
Well, no. No, that's tree wood. Wood, plane.
I'm pretty sure it's wood because it's not.
We can go that way and then go that way.
Okay.
I know where the heck to put it.
An ladybug.
I'm just dying.
You want to
hold my hand? I can't hold it. I'm dying.
Yuki found out that she has pickpockets.
That's funny.
And she has a thinner jacket, so she said she's gonna put it around her waist thing too. I'm still holding my cane.
Not that hot.
I can hold it, crazy person.
I can hold it. I can hold it.
I'm checking.
It's not that hot for me.
Crazy. Just crazy.
Can you feel me?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm filming too.
No.
I caught you being crazy and I caught Tadashi running from the quad.
It was a stink bug
All done?
right here. See him? He's right there.
Oh, I'm looking right here because you stopped right here.
He's just chilling. Okay, Mr. Stink Bug. It was a Yoshi bug.
Yoshi, why are you walking like in The Walking Dead? Just like girl. That's what she looks like. Is she wearing one fluffy sock and one normal sock?
Probably.
Tadashi wanted to run through here.
He probably would.
Mom told him no.
Especially now with all these foxtails. He gets stuck to everything. Yeah, you guys didn't see the little birdhouses?
No. I'm kind of blind.
That's the first thing that I thought you guys seen. Oh, sorry.
There's a boathouse right there. Oh wait, I think the boathouses are in every single place.
Look, that's right here. You know the little wood thing?
See the little wood thing right there? On the side of the tree?
I think you saw it. I don't think he's adjusted.
Oh my lord. His little legs.
Why does everyone else run normal and then you have me and Yayo? Who are just weird.
Tadashi, you're funny.
Are you happy that you didn't wear that long sleeve shirt like you wanted to? No, because last time I gave you this, you didn't.
Oh my lord, Tadashi.
It's fun. Yeah, I would probably get tan if I didn't have to wear these. Look, I'm gonna get tan like up here. And
You're
then that's it.
crazy.
Remember Yuki with his shorts?
Yep.
What's his name?
Helicopter.
What is she doing?
Oh, I don't know.
You think Tadashi's having
Pretty sure. Oh, it's a big one. That's the big, like, jumbo ones. The military
I
ones.
think that's a bird up there.
It's right there. See it?
Oh.
See it coming through the trees? It's a big one.
I thought you were looking at the big bird. I was like, that's a
No.
bird.
It's the big one.
How the heck did you get back there? You spawned it?
You're crazy, dude.
Like flew out there.
Oh my lord.
Well, it's less noticeable now that his hair is in the bun. What's all up there?
I am thirsty.
Here, we'll stop off at the car because I'm going to drop off these jackets and these phones because they're too heavy. We're going to stop off at the car so I could drop off these jackets and then the phones.
Wait, she said she's thirsty anyway.
Okay.
Yo, she's not used to walking around.
I am.
We're not used to trying to act like airplanes either.
It's like what? Act like what?
Airplanes? Look. Oh, Tadashi's a bird.
He's Flappy Bird.
Pokemon. Tazi's a Pokemon. Tazi's mixed with Tweety Bird
And Woody Woodpecker.
yeah.
Tadashi.
Tweety Bird and Psyduck. Oh yeah, got the dogs down there.
Let's go back.
And dogs are probably like that. When I get older, I'm gonna get like 3 Frenchies, and those could all be my service dogs. I have a service dog for each disability that I have.
You got like 20.
No, it's only 3 that we know of right now. I know, I do too, and I don't even know how. I don't know. How are you guys walking?
Like crazy people.
I don't know how I got
Yeah, I'm not reading my phone.
Oh, look at the plane.
You guys see it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why is she sitting?
So we're going that way now?
Probably that way. That way towards your handicap signs.
What did you just say?
Towards your handicap signs.
You're not gonna stand right though.
And you got a handicapped person over here too?
Which one?
You got a mentally handicapped person.
Which one? Hey. This way. Yeah.
Do you see his shoes?
Yes. That's all right. Come on.
I'm surprised Josh hasn't tried to get this before.
Look at this.
I'm pretty sure you do that not in the dirt. I don't know, in the rocks maybe? Not in the dirt.
Maybe in the grass. You could probably right there wipe his feet off. Come on.
Just throw them in the washer again.
Yeah, we'll just throw Tadashi in the washer when we get home.
No, the shoes.
Okay, come on.
Oh yeah, little ladybug.
Don't squish it.
Come on. Just keep going that way.
Run through here.
Huh? He can go right here if he wants to wipe his feet off in the grass.
Why are there handicap spots over there? And not over here.
I don't know.
Are these spots?
I guess we could have parked down there.
Where they could go and climb
Look at Tadashi.
I don't think we can go in though.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, he's getting some off.
Okay, we'll throw them in the wash.
Yeah, just throw them in the washer when we get home. Him and the shoes. We'll get them both clean.
I'm gonna jump over it again.
You guys are funny.
Look at my stuff.
His little legs are hilarious.
There's a pond down there.
This is an all-purpose trail.
Purpose.
Oh my lord, you got a little Tracy dancing too.
Somebody go.
Where's the pond?
Over there. Over there. Wait. I don't think that's a pond. Yeah, we have Rockland. You want to go to Rockland?
No, it's blocked off. You can't go up there.
It's a mysterious rock.
It's a mischievous rock.
Yeah, that was shaped like the rock's head. The rock
Tadashi, what are you doing?
The rock that says this my job, this my power. We stay hungry. We got power can walk from out. Take the power.
Do this. Hold yourself with the stick. Put the stick down if you hold yourself. Stick down.
Put the stick down if you hold yourself. I just hold it a little bit. Deal ant mode. Deal ant mode. This is how it works. You know how much the animals are? Can I have the stick? Whoa. Can I have the stick? Yeah.
If you find one.
Very good. Oh, Tracy, watch out for that boat. There's one behind us.
Oh, guys, come to the side. Move this side. Move this side. All right.
Stop, you scratched my toe. Tasha, that was the stick, that was my toe.
Yeah, like that's the type of bike I'm gonna get since I can't drive.
Are you gonna drive it like you drive on Fortnite?
It's a game.
I don't know. What's Stevie?
It almost hit Yo-Yo right in the head. That was close. Yo-Yo almost got straight bonk.
Are we going that way or that way?
Straight, keep going straight.
Let's
Follow the guy on the electric bike.
I'm gonna get that, and then me and mom could go to Dr. Smokes like that.
Oh my lord.
You need to have a license for a bike.
It looks like a little thing over there. To the right. Looks like a little walkway that goes over there. That little area just right there. Has benches and stuff. Has benches and stuff.
There's a bench right there.
Does anyone know what's wrong with Yuki?
No.
Yuki's like that TikTok that I showed you where it says, I'm effing crazy but I'm free. Why do I feel so tight next to you?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Watch out for this firebug.
Oh, it's because it's because
Look at it.
like down to like your shoulder.
Squish it, please.
I see
The
holes. Holes.
Yeah, go ahead and get yourself a stick.
I guess it wasn't that lovely. Look, Josh, there's a bigger stick over here.
No,
No, put that one down. That's too big. I told him that was too big.
Go cover face.
Hey, you guys aren't supposed to be walking over there. No, supposed to be walking a little path. I was wondering what you guys were doing.
Oh no, you can. I'm not being walking over the side.
You dorks.
I don't like the path over there.
Real quick, I'm gonna get this stick with card. Perfect size.
Go ahead, sticky
She
butt.
said perfect size. Yeah, make it out too. I really like mustard green sauces. Or was it? I can't remember. The rest of it.
go back to the whole 3 minutes. Go back. Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go.
the boys go first. Yeah, sacrifice the boys first. Look, Mom wanted to sacrifice the boys first.
Mm-hmm.
I am scared. Dude, we don't even weigh that much. I went.
I want to get it. It looks like it has close on it.
Hokey monkey.
That's not a
Oh, God.
flower, that's mine.
Hmm.
That's not a flower, that's mine.
I don't see it. I'm blind.
That's the one.
Yeah, there's one way over there too.
Oh no.
The bunny bunny.
Where? Like it's in
Oh
front of you.
no. I don't like cactus.
There's one whale.
Yeah, it was in
He
the
was talking.
Don't
like little garden thing.
No, I see a cactus.
No, it's not.
We could probably turn around and go back the other way because this just goes over there.
Just go to the porta potty.
Ratatouille.
He said ratatouille.
The rabbit is alive. It's eating the grass. Listen, you have Pokemon finals. Let's play Pokemon. Yeah. We're going to try to catch Pokemon.
Hey, Dad, what's a coyote? Coyote.
Let's find Pokemon. Oh wow, there's a Halloween one. Where was Patrick? Where's Pumpkaboo at? Yeah, where is it? Yeah, that's Pumpkaboo. I see the Pumpkaboo as well. Pumpkaboo? 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 Here, oh, nice. Pokemon. Wait, let's find a
Keep
big
going.
one now. Yeah.
I know.
Let's go find Daffodil. Let's find Daffodil. Come on. Daffodil.
Tadashi yelled, I'm gonna jump in that. And Yo was all no, and he goes, why are you trying to block me?
That's funny.
I think he's training with Michael Jackson. Did you just hit yourself in the face with this stick?
It's just funny.
Mom sounds like she's trying to control a dog. Yeah, did you know that that's a squirrel house?
Oh my lord. So that's Tadashi's squirrel house.
I think he's the one that said it. Yuki's about to traumatize Mom.
Me, Yuki just said those clouds gonna
Hey guys, get to the right.
go the other way.
Come on, come inside.
Don't set that close. Don't set that close. All this.
Say wave at the guy going by. Say hi.
I stepped into a hole.
Oh, I thought she was about to say steps into the pool. Go ahead.
Let's go hiking.
Why does he find thicker and thicker sticks with every time we stop?
I don't know. He just keeps getting crazier sticks.
It's not even a stick anymore.
It's got a limb, got a tree trunk.
He's gonna get like a
Let's
tree like
come
this and
back
say it's a
because
stick.
Mom's getting all red. Come back. Mom's getting all red.
So is Tadashi.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just turn back. Because you're red and look at Tadashi.
But he's been running. Have you?
Okay, we know your skin's gonna get all messed up, so we'll
Mine.
come back
Red
tomorrow or
for
something, or a
little
different day. We'll do more.
And then we can
So we'll just come this way.
Yeah, just walk up. This
Yeah.
I think that's where all the animals are. But the sign right there says that something's close to it.
The Pecan Grove.
I forgot your name.
I don't know what the Pecan Grove is. I don't know where I don't know if they have if they have pecans somewhere.
This right here,
Maybe.
it looks like it's on fire.
I know.
Yeah, let's battle.
Because look at all this right here is burnt.
Anna, let's battle.
So maybe that's what this is closed. It's just that part, so you can't walk in no more.
What the heck was that? Flew on my face. I am excited to go back to the car. To go sleep.
Huh?
I said I'm excited to go back in the car and go to sleep.
Oh,
Are you sure ask
it's going by here.
whenever we come back?
Yeah, they're right there.
I can't
See
see
the
that
animals?
far. I could see like kind of.
But I'm not sure. Is that part of here or is that part of? I think that's part of the next door.
What's
I don't know what it's part of.
Because that's what it looks like. The fence line
Well, next
goes.
time we should ask them.
Because there's a house right there.
No, I see a hoist.
And look, next time we should.
See the containers on this side,
Yeah.
but everything else looks like it's on the other side of that other
And where's
person's.
the other animals that everybody was seeing? I think that's it right there.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see when we come back.
Look, we should park right
Cause they have and they do have things up there. Maybe it's all up front.
I see a car right there. We can just
Look,
walk.
we should park right here in the handicap spot next time. So,
Probably will.
Come, guys.
Probably will.
so Mom won't have to. Oh my gosh, he has two now?
Oh my lord.
Where did he get two?
I don't know. Watch out, little Tracy, before you hit people with that.
I always got hit in the head with that.
From you or from the Tracy?
I think it was Tracy or Tadashi.
So you got bonked.
Well, you can tell who doesn't like Yoshi.
Huh?
Yoshi don't like the outdoors that much.
See, I'm the one that has the cane and everything, but you're the one saying you're tired.
Dying. It's hot and I'm dying.
Ew.
You guys are so weird.
What happened to the other stick that he had?
You said Tadashi don't do it.
You're trying to make a smiley face.
No, I'm pretty sure no Pokemon's landed here, Tadashi.
Pikachu.
Oh my lord, she made a little smiley face. It's so
I don't know
funny.
what she's making.
Apparently he's trying to see where the Pokemon's landed.
Oh. Better what? I already heard this. Better. That.
He said he's gonna go see where the Pokemon's
Do I
landed.
get one in the sun?
Your cheeks are all red.
I
And they already got bumpy.
I think everybody.
You see Yayo's cheeks? They're already red and bumpy.
So we gotta make you guys.
She's turning into Pikachu, but with bumps.
Pikachu. My way.
That's probably a Squirtle heel.
I lost my
Her
way.
face is already bumpy, but
Yeah.
No, I think I
I
got
lost
bumpy.
my way in the grass.
you
somewhere.
lost your ring.
I lost my way somewhere in the past.
Where?
I don't landed somewhere.
Right here, right now?
Yeah.
You can see it shining.
She's
Good.
blind today. I lost my way. It flew off my finger.
If you put it on my finger, it won't fall off.
You're a dork.
Now I put it in my pocket.
Not in the street, dude. Put them on the side.
I'm tired.
Put them back to where they came from in nature.
Wait.
Well, then that will be right here, up there, next to the rock.
Little Tracy, put it over there in the grass
by the
part.
car.
But I want to ask
I think Tadashi wanted to jump in this puddle before we left.
There you go.
You're crazy. Yeah, what are you doing?
There's drawing. I know.
She drawed another happy face.
Will you be happy when I give you kisses?
No, I'll be sad.
She said, I'll be sad. The butterfly thing tried to get you. I think it was.
What the heck is going on inside?
It was a butterfly, I think. They tried to. Yeah, see, look. It came back. It's a butterfly. I know. I think it was a bigger one. It tried to get Yo-Yo. Yep.
Do you think Tadashi's gonna be asleep by the time we
Get out the driveway. Can.
You have to pee?
Yeah.
But you have to pee?
Not yet. Not. I'm going to see
Just pee in the bushes. Ew!
Ew.
Well, we know what Yael would do
Where
if
are
there's
we
no
going?
bathroom available.
Yael's nuts.
I have to go this way.
Yael's a wild girl.
You have them two things. So.
Don't do that.
Yep. I peed all up in nature.
It's just harder for us. Dude, it is your family member.
Two. What? Ew.
Come on.
Fine, just go.
Come on. Go. Watch out for the stink bug. Don't step on him.
I know.
Watch out, Tasha. You're about to step on him.
I don't.
Look down, dude. Look. Watch out, okay? Go ahead and go. Go. Go.
Alright, go.
Just watch out for him. Look at him on the ground. You see him? You see him? Okay, good. Now go. Stay to the right. Go by these rocks right here. Go, go, go. Right here. Come on. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Go walk. Hurry up. It's the guys over there working. Butterflies just chilling.
Pretty. You see a butterfly?
It's all a whole bunch of butterflies.
What?
They're in behind the cage.
Fine cage.
Or a fence, I mean.
Fine cage. I don't know.
Just go. Go.
Go. Go. Move.
Oh my lord.
Mom, are you sure it wasn't the plant? But she left. It was mine, but not that. Oh, man. You're bad.
He said no.
What?
What's that? That touched me.
What's it, hail? See, that only happens when it rains. Your head. You guys act like we've been walking for a long time. Hello, doggy.
The little dog. Huh?
There's 3 of them. I see 2.
There's one right there, and then there's 2 up there.
Oh, I see it.
I probably like go away.
I didn't see that one.
Dogs are all chilling. They're all sunbathing.
Yuki acts like we've been out here like for hours.
We've only been out here for like 42 minutes.
Hot and
Maybe a little bit longer.
Well, like I feel fine.
so why are you good?
You guys are funny.
I'm
You're getting rocks.
Both of them is dying. You
All I
say-
need is just something to do with. Did he just hop
I
in
got
to get
bit
rocks?
by something. Got bit by something.
You guys ready to go towards the car then?
I'm just standing here.
Got a little recharge to make it to the car?
Is it-
I thought he recharged.
Were we still going to Dollar Tree today?
I guess.
Can
I was gonna say we
we
could
go
get,
to the store to get a big box of chocolate or cookies?
No,
Guys
I was
are
gonna say
nuts.
for pasta, we could get pasta while we're there too. I kind of want a mayonnaise pasta. Did you just see red too?
I want butter noodles.
What do you see a rat?
I
You
want
call red
butter noodles with tofu sandwiches, but I don't think we can have tofu sandwiches.
With what sandwiches?
Tofu.
Oh, I thought
Oh.
you said turbo. I was like, that's a snail.
Tofu. It's like what?
Said she wants to go fast. Oh my lord.
Let's see her legs do that.
Her running
She's
again.
all mad.
My battery's dying.
Did you say your battery is your battery's low on charge? Yo-Yo's battery, she said, is low on charge.
I woke up at like 9 something. I didn't get out of bed, but I woke up at 9. Tadashi, you nasty. Yeah, if you smell that, that's not from me.
From you.
It's from him.
From you.
I'd probably bring
You're
my,
the nature.
crutches in there.
Hmm?
So I'm probably gonna bring my crutches next time.